I think that the priority of the evolution of Europe regarding the clusters is a step we can make from interclustering. I mean the partnership we can build between the different health clusters to real concrete partnerships between our members, because innovation can emerge from partnerships coming from the field. So we have now those connections at regional level, and the next step is to get regions working together, helping the companies and universities to work with companies and universities from other regions from Europe. That's the next step we are now going to put in the coming months.
The priorities for clusters in the development for Europe, I think they start to avoid fragmentation of initiatives. That's the main role, because clusters, what they do is through the knowledge of what's going on in their own regions, knowledge of what's going on in the healthcare, in the companies area, and also at the administration area. The role of clusters is really to facilitate processes to happen in a faster and easier way, so to be catalyzers of processes and of economy. And through a network of clusters such as CEBR, we can really achieve our goal is to achieve this acceleration of processes of economy in all over Europe, especially, of course, in the healthcare sector, which is our sector.
The companies are the main customers for our cluster work. So also regional companies benefit from the collaboration between different clusters. They find partners, they get the VC financing, they find customers. So really one has to bring tangible results and impact to those companies.
Many times there's a debate of what should be put on the table in these public-private collaborations from both sides, because governments, through clusters many times, fund a lot of this research that in the very end will benefit the pharma company that will develop the drug ultimately. So it's a topic right now that it's a debate. I mean, we need to go through open innovation to develop drugs, but we have to find an ethical, equal, even arena for collaboration.
The importance of a competitive biotechnology sector is the economic revenue that we want to have and that we will have in the future for the general society. I mean, we have companies that are working in the health sector, well-being, and those are the major issues that the European community is addressing nowadays. So it is in fact a common sense, a common fact that biotech will bring a better well-being and much more value to the community. And for Portugal, we are very recent, so in fact it's a very small sector, so to say. But I can surely say that in the recent years, many has been done, and the sector is growing. So many companies have been created, many jobs have been created, many collaborations between universities, hospitals, companies and research centers, new products, new services to the market, so that's all very important. But mainly nowadays the job creation and the revenues are the most important thing.